Hello, welcome. If by any miracle you found this video, it's because you saw the thumbnail and you also want to be a student millionaire. And sorry to disappoint you, I am not one yet. My name is Amir. I'm currently a student studying maths at uni. I am very much not a flunk out. I performed well at school. I got straight lines at GCSE, pretty much 4 A stars at A levels. So for those outside of the UK, that's flawless exam results. But I've also, for the past 2 years, been running my own entrepreneurial hustles, and I still do till this day. And I just realized that it's kind of a lonely position where in the entrepreneur community, you have everyone who majority don't really care about school, they don't really care about grades, etc. They flunk out immediately the second they get the chance. And it's kind of hard because sure, as entrepreneurs, we see the value, going all in, you have to go all in, pursue your dreams, etc. Sure, but then Asian parents, I mean, that's pretty much all that can be said about the downsides. I'm making this channel as kind of a vlog, a diary, whatever you want to call it, to show you that it is possible to become a millionaire without dropping out of uni. So, if you're in a similar position, you're interested in making money, hustling, without dropping out necessarily, and you're also interested in fitness and managing to make a whole work-life balance. Because I've also been going to gym for the past 2 years consistently. I mean, I'm not that strong, but like, natty, not bad. I bench like 120 kilos, so I'm not a gym rat by any means, but I have a decent idea of what I'm talking about. And I don't really want to say it, but this can be kind of like an anti-togi. Like, I love togi and all, but this is going to be like the complete opposite. I don't do drugs, I don't like gamble, I don't take steroids. I guess we both go gym, but like, he doesn't even go gym anymore, he's just on steroids and just jacked. What else? Parties, I don't party. What was it? Degenerate, he's a millionaire, I'm not yet. So, let's let the journey begin. I also don't want to talk too much about what I'm currently doing myself because I feel like I'm so passionate about it. I could just waffle on forever. Maybe, sure, I'll get some interested people, but then I just don't want to be another guru that has made a bit of money with a business model and then just talks about it and claims to make you a millionaire by selling you a course. I don't want that to happen. I don't think that's the way to go. I just want to create a community, Entrepreneurship, it's been one heck of a roller coaster. And, there's sacrifices to be made. And you just want to see that there's someone else in the same boat. Yeah? Not everyone's a 16-year-old trillionaire like you see on Instagram. So I'm going to try to be the down-to-earth guy. As I said, I'm not going to talk too much about my own business. Heck, I don't even want to talk or brag about how much I make. I really want to be about testing new things, how to combine the student life with entrepreneurship and keeping up with your fitness, because all three are very important. They go hand in hand. So if I'm not sure what to say for myself, it's currently like 2:30 a.m. It's like in the middle of the term and I'm in Antalya, Turkey. Yeah, I should probably sleep, go back to England. I have a flight in like 4 hours, so... But hey, I'm recording a video for you guys because I'm just so passionate about this. So it's going to be some sort of vlog, and I'm going to talk about different business models, different business ideas, because I always get these ideas on how to make money, and I've tried lots of different ventures in the past, but normally it'd be a waste of time. You'd be distracting yourself, putting yourself off route when you really should be focusing on your core business. But if I can build a community around this by like testing different business models live with you guys, share the results, etc., I think that would be really cool. I think that would be really cool, really genuine, like just showing you progression, what business models work, showing which business models work, or really pops off, which kind of aligns with the uni and with the uni schedule. So maybe do a few gym, uni vlogs, just a bit of the day in the life, because at the end of the day, seeing that someone else is in the same shoes as you, I think is so important in not giving up. And maybe it's like a diary to myself, to see the progression and see that, it never really went to waste. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be like anti-togi. Togi, I don't know. I want to come up with like, because I want to come up with a nickname for myself. So like, anti, but I can't be naming myself after someone else. That's kind of weird. I'm gonna become the Rag, RAG. A lot of the stuff I do is revolved around the technology Rag, but it was also my nickname in school. So if there's real ones that are out there, they'll know what Rag actually stands for. But yeah, subscribe, I don't know, whatever notification. Oh, that's so cringe. But yeah, I think I'm very optimistic. So